Oh, come on, it's making it. Yes! Come on, it's going.
Go straight down the middle.
Come on! Yes! Christian. Whoa!
Don't.
Come on, we're gonna go. Doing it. We're about 2 meters there.
Oh no!
You can get on it, but you won't be able to drive it.
I'll have a go. Ugh. Christian,
Bye.
it's a situation in which the boat is faster than me, I think. Get on it, get on. Get on! Oh, oh, oh. You can't get in any of the rooms.
Bruh.
You keep
Why have I
falling
just
into
jumped back in the water?
Get in.
Ugh.
You crouch. Oh, hold triangle. Hold triangle.
Bruh.
No. No.
What is that boat doing?
Huh? What's it doing?
Why is it floating?
I don't see a
Oh no,
point.
back to normal.
That boat's like all weird. Bye. Ooh.
Bye, have a great time.
So we not you're not meant to go over there.
Yeah, you're not. If you go over there, your boat sink. All your stamina will go instantly, and you just die.
Do you think what happened to that last boat is it got too close to the island?
Yeah, I think it got too close to the island.
What's that? That's just a 2-man canoe.
Like, where's that boat going, by the way? Oh
Oh no!
No.
no, isn't good.
No! Oh yeah, I'm dead.
up.
Literally, I'm dead. I'm dead. Yeah, we got too close to the island. Come on, let's go. That's not good.
What?
Oh, there's like smoke from the engine down here. I thought it was water. Oh, we got a free little passenger with us.
He's a bit tired.
We're making it, so... Is that the waterfall just over here?
Yeah.
Oh, it's coming. There it is. Oh. Look at
We're
it.
at our destination, Ben.
Which side are we gonna go, left or right? Oh, here it is, Christian. The rapids. Oh. Woo. Oh, come on, it's making it. Yes. Come on, it's going.
Go straight down the middle.
Come on. Yes. I think it's gonna crash. Come on, Christian. Whoa. Whoa.